Now, let's take a look at one of my favorite builds right here. This is my friend Larry Chen's daily driver, the GR86 Daily Drifter. That's right. Now, if you know Larry Chen and you know his style, he went all out with this bad boy. You want to make something that could show how capable the car was to get sideways and still enjoy it every single day. So inside you can see they did the half cage. It's got the Sparco Evo buckets with the Sparco seat belts. He's got the hydraulic handbrake in there. We know Pennzoil, Type S, HKS, everybody had a hand in this, of course, wrapped in Yokohamas. I love that it's got the MagnaFlow exhaust on there, and I love those LEDs. But if you know Larry, you know how his style goes. ST suspension coilover and a GK Tech angle kit.
Yeah, it is really amazing how many companies now produce parts for our GR cars. So where are you headed now, Rut?
I'm going deeper into GR territory, Lisa.
Awesome.
Now, next year, Toyota will kick off its new GR Cup Series at Sonoma Raceway. The single-make series is sanctioned by SRO America and will feature the GR86. From a stock model, it'll be transformed into this beauty.
Now that is an awesome-looking race car.
Yeah, I'll say, in this series, racing enthusiasts will go all out in a modified GR86 like this at 7 prestigious circuits across the U.S.
Thanks, Rut. I, for one, can't wait to see the GR Cup racing in action.